Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another character from Rick and Morty, and this time it's gonna be Morty. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw Morty, and we're gonna draw his eyes first, and again, just like Rick, it's just gonna be two circles. It's gonna be very simple. So two big eyes side by side. And I'm gonna draw looking this way. And now we're gonna draw his eyebrow. So we're just gonna draw one line here. And we're gonna draw a smaller one over here. Okay, and then now we're gonna draw his nose. Very easy. And then right underneath it, just a little smile. And now for this face, we're just gonna go all the way around. Just gonna come all the way around. Okay, and then his ear. And then now we're gonna go all the way around on the bottom. From his eyes, just go around his mouth and come down. And then go back up into the ear. Okay, and then now his hair. So from here, we're just gonna draw. Let's go all the way around his head and just give it a little bit of a waviness to it. Okay, so it's very easy. Alright, so now let's move down to his body, and I'm drawing his body a little bit smaller so I don't run out of paper space. So we're just gonna draw two lines, and this is actually gonna be his arms and shoulder. And then right here, we come down. It's gonna be a little tummy. Now we're gonna finish off his arm over here. Just come down and just close it. And then for this side, we're just gonna close that. Okay, so now we can draw his arm. Just kind of come down. And a little bit elbow right there. Can't really see it. Okay, and then his fingers. So just gonna draw 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I'll just give him 4 fingers since it's really hard to draw small with a Sharpie. Okay, so you can give him 5. And then from here, we're gonna close off his body here for his shirt. And now we can draw his other arm. So we're gonna come down. And then we're gonna draw his thumb. So it's gonna be 1. And again, it's gonna draw 1 finger here, 2 and 3. Now we'll come down to his legs. So it's gonna be really simple. And right here in the middle, just draw one little line across. And now we're gonna come down. I'm gonna give it a little bit of bend. And then from here, we're gonna come down and just give this whole line some thickness. Okay, close it off. And then a little 2 lines, close that off. And then his shoe is gonna be really easy. So straight down, angle, and then close it off. And then his other leg. So we're gonna, same thing, we're gonna give it a little bit of bend. Come down, close it off here. And then this is gonna be a slight angle. Close it, and then again, just come straight down. And then let's draw a little bit of a curve like this. And that's it for this Morty drawing. Hope you guys like the way it turned out. It's nice and easy. So hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.